Before going further, let's verify the documentation part. So here we can see that documentation is available for 9.7, 9.6 and 8.9 LTS, which we are going to install and verify. Here we are on the 8.9 documentation. We can click on requirements, click on prerequisite and overview, and we understand that the only prerequisite to run SonarQube is to have Java OpenJRE 11 or OpenJDK 11 installed on your machine. So here we can see that Oracle, JRE and OpenJDK support is available. So for server 11 is necessary, Java 8 is not available, and for scanners Java 11 and 8 both are available. For databases, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle with specific versions are supported. Web browser list is available here, and there are other nodes also available here. There are hardware recommendations also available here. So based on your need, you can verify all the things. For this particular demo, we are going to use a Ubuntu operating system with 32 GB RAM, but it is not required. Even with the 4 GB or 8 GB RAM within your laptop, you should be able to access SonarQube and perform code analysis effectively. That's it for today's video. If you like the content, then please like and share the video with your friends. If you have any questions or you have any feedback for me, please leave a comment. I will do my best to respond. Thank you for watching. See you next time.